Yo, what's going on, guys? I am back today, finally back to audio, which is awesome. So before I get into what this is, and you can probably see the box over here, but before I get into it, I do want to send a huge shout out to El Jefe Reviews. He is actually the one that sent these out to me, so dude, thank you very, very much. Let's get into this. So it's not a full review. I will have a full review on these in a couple weeks. But this is, I haven't even opened it yet. This came in yesterday. These are the Soundcore Audio Life Q10 wireless headphones. El Jefe Reviews, he raves about these, especially at the price and things like that. So it says 60-hour playtime, so that's going to be fun to test. 5-minute charge gets you a 5-hour playtime, which is awesome if that works out. And it has USB-C charging, and it does have a high-res audio thing on here, so we'll put that to the test. Let's see, on the back here it says there's 40mm drivers, bass up technology, so hopefully the bass is solid on these. Ultra comfortable and breathable ear cups, 60-hour playtime, 5 minutes, 5 hours charging, USB-C, and Bluetooth 5. So with it having Bluetooth 5, that actually should help with the latency issues that we see on most headphones. So that's pretty awesome too. It says in the box you get the headphones, a USB-C cable, and an aux cable. Now, before I get too far into this, and I'll talk while I'm unwrapping here, but before I get too far into this, right now on Amazon, these things are going for technically $30, $29.99, but there's also a $2 coupon on these too. So, I mean, you could get these for $28. And if you have Prime, you get free shipping too. So, I mean, for just forget the sound for a second. For over-the-ear headphones, which these look like they are, for over-the-ear headphones with Bluetooth 5 and USB-C charging, that is actually an amazing price. Normally they're $40, which still is a really good price, especially when you consider that, and I know, you know, it's different because you're paying for the brand, but these Sonys back here, these Sonys, I got them a few years ago and I got them on sale for $100. So the fact that these are the price that they are, if they have at least even decent audio quality, they'll be well worth the money. So right here, not much for the presentation, which, I mean, for the price you shouldn't really expect too much, but that's what you got. And then you got your books and stuff back here. And then the cords are sitting in this little compartment here, USB-C cable and your aux cord. If you have a device that you want to use these on with a 3.5mm jack. Now, just first glance, I really like the fact that these fold up. Those Sonys back there don't, and that was kind of that, I guess, almost even an infancy in decent Bluetooth headphones when I got those. But so far, I mean, the construction is really nice. You got these little stickers covering up the shiny parts on the sides. But the construction seems pretty solid. I don't think I would have a problem throwing these in my bag or anything folded up. The ear cups feel nice and soft. There's a decent padding on the headband, and I mean, all of this is plastic, which you honestly should expect. I wouldn't expect anything but plastic on these. And then on the inside of the ear cups, you may not be able to see that, but there's an R and an L to tell you which side is what. Yeah, these are comfy. Yeah, these are pretty comfy. I like the fact that the adjustability on these isn't the clicks. Like the Bose QC35s. I don't know if you've used those or not, but it's just a smooth motion. I would be slightly concerned to see if that wears down over time or wears out in any kind of way. Once they're sized to your head, they don't fold up as easily, so that just, you might want to just close them down when you're putting them up. But they feel fairly comfortable on the ears. I generally wear glasses. I have contacts on right now, but I'll test these out also with my glasses on. So let's put that stuff to the side. Books, usual books. Yep, just general books and stuff. So what I'm going to do is throw that over there because it's in my way. And I'm going to break out a phone. So I'm just going to do a quick first impression. It looks like all your controls are on the right ear cup. Up top here, it looks like you have your extra bass button, bass boost button or whatever. Volume up and down, and power button. I'm going to assume that if you hold one of the volume buttons, it'll skip a track. We'll kind of get into that later. But let's go ahead and power these babies up. Cool little tone when you power them up. And then it actually tells you in your ear how much battery you have. Not an exact percentage, but it said battery medium. So I'm assuming it's in power mode right now. So let's see how quickly these come up. Yep, there they are. And it gave just a quick little audio thing saying that they're paired up. So let's go to one of my favorite. What's this? All right. So I'm just on a random playlist, and I can't hear myself, so I want to take your ear cup off. I'm just in a random playlist, and this is a song that's up right now. I'm gonna put the ear cup on. I'll try and talk to y'all while I'm listening, but I can't hear myself at all. So if you want to listen along, you definitely can. Okay, let me find this bass boost. Okay, so when you hit the bass boost button, it tells you, right now I hit it and it said normal. And then I hit it again and it said bass up. Okay, those are your only two options, normal or bass up. Each time you touch the button, it switches the, I guess, EQ setting or whatever it is. So I'm back on normal. These actually sound really, really good. All right, let's try. Okay, there's volume. So I want to see something. I don't know about on iPhone, but on Android, it has separate volume controls. So you could turn your volume all the way up on your phone, and then you could control the actual headphone volume from here. And if you need it to get quieter or whatever, you can turn it down from your phone too. But let's play with some buttons here. Okay, power button pauses. Yep. If you hold volume up, it goes to the next track. So volume down. So if you hold volume up, it goes to the next track. If you hold volume down, it will start that track over, and then you gotta press the button again to go back to the previous track. So you gotta be kind of quick with it once that song starts back over. So, okay, one more song, and then we'll wrap this up. And I have to go to one of my absolute favorite songs. It is on my headphone test playlist because it has to be. If you've watched some of my videos, you probably already know what this song is. If you haven't, there you go. Gotta get that easy. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. Woo! 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 Oh, these are... Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Those are amazing. I cannot wait to listen to these for the review. El Jefe, dude, yeah, these are nice. Okay, it sounds stupid of me to tell y'all to forget my review and just go buy them because I want y'all to watch my review. But if you're watching this video right here, just buy them. These are amazing. For $30, I don't know how long that's gonna go on. So for $28, for $28, honestly, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed with these. These are, woo, yeah, these are amazing for $30. For $40, they're amazing. Yeah, these are good. I gotta put these through the ringer, but I think the only thing that's gonna make me not like these is if somehow, some way, the battery ends up only being like a 12-hour battery, to be honest with you. Yeah, these are... Oh, yeah, these are nice. Okay, so anyways, like I said, I will do a full review no matter what. It'll be in a couple weeks. I have another pair of headphones that I'm reviewing right now, so it'll be a couple weeks on these. But if you want to hit that $30 deal, I really hate to say this, but I really don't think that you're gonna have to wait for that review to come out. Just go get them. It's $28. Just go get them for real. I ain't even playing with you. Just go get them. These are fantastic. I already am in love with these headphones. So I already can't say enough good things. So hopefully my opinion of them does not change between now and the full review. We'll see how that goes. But until then, guys, that does it. That wraps it up for this video. First impressions, unboxing. Not a whole lot to it, but man, they sound good. They sound really good. All right, guys, I am out.